Okay, so what we're going to do is go through how do we get started on Think and Swim. I know as soon as you pull up your screen, you're going to see something like this. We need to start decluttering it, okay? Because just seeing something like this is going to intimidate you. Not too fair. I'm here to walk you through it. So click on the X to get rid of that. On your left-hand side, it tells you all about your account information. I'm in a paper trading account. So right now I have an options buying power of over $200,000. See, that's where we play. To get rid of this, click on that little arrow right there. If you want it back, click on it. Okay, that's all we're doing. And then we go up on top and we're looking for charts. Click on charts again. Here's your chart. All right, here is Amazon, AMZN, that's the ticker symbol. And remember we said the crosshairs right here gives you a good feel for the price of the stock. So we're gonna go to style, change it from chart type, go from style to chart type, change it to line. Okay, because that's how we do it when we're starting. This D right here is a quick time frame. This is what it represents. The D here represents, we're looking at 1 year, and each candlestick represents 1 day. Okay, so that's what that is, just so you know. Once we have a style changed to the line, we go and we use our drawing tool. So we go to drawing and we use the tools. Use a little trend line. And remember, we start with the low for the 52-week low. So we can start from around here. That's our 52-week low. Easy sometimes just to line the numbers up, line the lines up, or keep an eye on the box. Okay, there we go. That's our low. And we just hit some highs. So we could come over just a little bit and start. Click once and then just pull it. Okay, sometimes it doesn't take it right away. Click once and just move to the left. Okay, that's your high. Remember we said we do the first two things. We do the high and the low. Then you look and you start looking for at least 2 peaks that will match. So we have one here. Looks good. Try to find as many as you can. It helps a lot. Okay. Click on it. And take it all the way to the right. And you will have your own charting style, but the bottom line is we're trying to find our support and our resistance, okay? You'll get used to it. Okay, so I have a few. Remember, let me change it over now from studies. We're going to change it now to a candlestick because that's what we read. Not studies, I'm sorry, style. Chart type, candle, that's what we read. Look how nicely they tend to just fall within the lines that we did. That's why we set our support and our resistance lines. Okay, and if you want to do everything all the way from the left to the right, that's fine also. It's up to you, it's your chart, all right? remember that support, this line is support. It is based on where the current stock or whatever candlestick that you're looking at, where it is at the time. Because right now it is support. And this is resistance for these stocks right here. Okay. But then once it breaks resistance, based on these candlesticks right here, this is now support. And now this is your new resistance, okay? So it's just relative to where the stock is. If the line is under where the stock is at the time, then it's support, all right? And someone asked, why do we look at it and what's the relevance of support? Look at what the relevance is. You see, we were learning about our chart patterns, and look at how sometimes the stock tends to come, bounce off of the support and start to head up. And this is a perfect example right here, okay? With Thinkorswim, you can zoom in, so don't feel like, oh my gosh, can I see this? No, okay, just click on the zoom option right here. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. Okay, you can go up. And then you can also go to drawings, and you don't want to mark up on your thing anymore. Click on the little pointer. You can take it left, you can take it right, and you wouldn't have to worry about, you don't have to worry now about messing up your charts by marking on it and you didn't intend to do so. Okay? So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to show you some other cool stuff that you can do with your drawings, which is pretty cool. Drawing tools. You can actually write on this. You just click text and see the little T right there that comes up, so it lets you know what you're doing. So let's say you want to remember it was the high. So you can click right there, and here comes your text note box, and you click all-time high, whatever you want to put. Click OK. There it is. Another thing that you can do is you can actually mark your stuff with shapes. Let me go find something I want to mark with shapes. That's an oval. Let's say I want to show this little area right here. All I have to do, one click, pull it. You have a little circle or oval right there. And another drawing tool that is really a lot of fun, and especially when you start to do advanced charting, is the rectangle. And you click, one click, pull it, and you are able to mark out a specific section, okay? So in no time, with practice, you will be trading like a pro. Hope this helps.